खाने पे चर्चा पे आपका स्वागत है. Yes, the show is all about inviting and interacting with people who have had influence on others' life. And my guest on the show is someone today who has really dedicated her entire life to really make life of others better. She's dedicated her entire youth and she's dedicating now her time and experience with one simple motto: how can you live better? And it gives me an honor and it's a privilege for me to invite Hansa Ma on this episode of Khane Pe Charcha. Namaskar, it is such an honor for me to...
Namaskar, it's lovely to be with you.
I must share with the audience here that I have personally benefited by following your channel, by reading your books, and by benefiting from your wisdom. The way you've really connected the dots in philosophy of life,
Yes.
it is absolutely incredible.
Very true.
Hansa Ma, when it comes to yoga, they say that India has given yoga to the world. But today yoga has many hybrid versions.
Yes.
There is hot yoga, there is trap yoga, there is hot yoga, there is Bihar yoga.
Power yoga,
There is power
kickboxing yoga, doga, name any. Yes.
So what is yoga?
This is today's word.
Today's
Yes.
word.
Yoga word by itself means union. Then the question is union of what? So union of yourself with the object about which you want to know everything. It's only through knowledge that you can move ahead in life. So union of yourself with object. So in other words, yoga means concentration. Concentration. Concentration, prolonged concentration is meditation, and prolonged meditation you become one with that object, that is samadhi. So yoga means concentration. Another union is yourself with universal self. Atma ka Paramatma ke saath milan. That is another. So this shows that yoga is a part of self-development. From animals you become humans, from humans you become godly. So it's a path of self-development. So we should live life accordingly. Third definition is union of yourself with any work which you are doing. Work, totally focused at work. That's yoga. That is yoga. Excellence in work, skill at work is yoga. Very practical definition. Fourth definition, body and mind union. Mind has a capacity to move anywhere in the world, anytime. It has to be with body. When body is moving, mind should go along with it. Then no problem. If mind is given freedom, mind can take you to the hell or get you to the worst state. Worry, tension, anxiety and all that. Or mind can take you to the best state, blissful state. So union of body and mind together. And main definition in Patanjali Yoga Sutra is Yoga's Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That is complete mastery over mind is yoga. Mind. What is mind doing? Thinking. Mind's job is to think, so mind is going to think. Complete mastery over it. I want to think, I don't want to think, stop. What type of thinking I am doing? Is it constructive? It is good. Continue, otherwise change. That mastery over mind. I tell you, come on, lie down and sleep, you should be able to do that. I tell you, stop thinking, you should be able to. That is yoga. Complete mastery over mind is yoga. These are the definitions.
And somehow they say that two people, their fingerprints never match.
Very true.
So if fingerprints don't match, then how can the same yoga be applied for everybody? So
Cannot
my
be.
question is that what should be a starting point for the
Yes.
audience who's watching the show today? Is this
Yes.
okay? I'm inspired by today's interaction. We want to imbibe the message of Hansa Ma and yoga in our life. But how do I start? Do I start with a YouTube video? Do I start with the book? Or do I start with changes in my lifestyle?
Well, whatever is available to you, what is required is, are you ready to learn? Why do you want to learn? As long as your life is going on nicely, you are happy, you are healthy.
Hansa Ma, देखिए खाना तो है, आहार मुझे पता है आप सात्विक लेती हैं, तो कुछ सात्विक खाना मंगाते हैं. तो आपसे पहले हम, they always say, Hansa Ma, mind is the thought you have, and your body is the food you eat.
Right?
तो योगा के
As
हिसाब
the
से-
food, so the mind.
Exactly.
As the mind, so the man.
तो आपके हिसाब से सात्विक खाना क्या होना चाहिए आपके लिए? सात्विक खाना है, मैं भी आपसे सीखूंगा। तो सात्विक खाना आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए? व्हाट आर द 3 थिंग्स अ पर्सन शुड अवॉइड? व्हाट आर द 3 थिंग्स अ पर्सन शुड हैव एवरी डे? आहार की हम अगर बात करें तो
देखिए ना, बेसिक सिंपल रूल्स तो पता है कि हमारे बॉडी में प्रोटीन जाना ही चाहिए,
अच्छा।
हमारी बॉडी में कार्ब्स जाने चाहिए, हेल्दी कार्ब्स वो पोहे और सरसटी हमारे ओट्स इन सब में मिल ही जाते हैं। और विटामिन मिनरल्स जाने ही चाहिए अच्छी तरह, इतना तो बेसिक जाना ही चाहिए।
Basic
फाइबर्स जाने चाहिए। नाउ yoga food is more a fibrous food, something which your body can pass out. Peristalsis, we have such a long intestine that we need fibrous food, ghas foods in our body. Easily things move ahead and body can absorb, assimilate maximum out of it. So you should choose food which has more fibers, natural food. So natural fruits, best food is nothing else but fruits. You should love fruits.
प्रोसेस ना खाएं, डोंट ईट टू मच ऑफ प्रोसेस्ड फूड।
प्रोसेस तो गलत है। प्रोसेस्ड में क्या होगा, किस तरह के प्रोसेस फूड आप चाहते हो? फ्रूट्स में तो प्रोसेस कुछ होता नहीं। फ्रेश फ्रूट्स खाइए, फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स खाइए, सब्जी बना के खाइए, अदरवाइज कुक करके खाइए। ये दो मेन चीज़ हो गई।
हाउ मच ऑफ योर फूड हम थाली में इट शुड बी फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल नट्स? 50%, मोर देन 50%?
इस तरह नहीं सोच सकता आदमी। इंसान अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एज, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड, you need to do that. For example, if you have to run around too much, you are really hungry, then you need more high protein diet, and so automatically you will need sprouts. I would say sprouts twice or thrice in a week you must have. Sprouted moong, chana, matki chana, all these stuffs which are very healthy, easily digestible protein, very tasty. I recommend always groundnuts, moongfali. Boil it, and boiled groundnut, a handful of it, it gives you practically quite a lot of
So your
protein.
vegetarian food in India has enough protein which is sufficient.
Absolutely.
So this is a myth that you need to add other sources of, and especially animal protein.
Not at all. Rather, that hurts and harms. That changes, alters the state of mind also.
Tansama, the one question which has always, and I wanted to seek your guidance, and everybody want to seek your guidance, is why are we seeing so many alterations in the food industry? Because ultimately, like you said, food is mind you sow, and everything is a cycle. For example, as a child, I have grown up eating chapati.
Yes.
अब now there is a concept of gluten free. As a child, मैं दूध बहुत पीता था, खीर बहुत खाता था, और पनीर बहुत खाता था. Now I've been told it is, अरे भाई, you need to be, you need to avoid, you need to go vegan, lactose intolerant. तो ये जो पहले बातें नहीं होती थी, why are they coming now?
Well, people want new things now. They are fed
Is it
up
all
with
marketing?
the same. All marketing.
So
all
is milk
urine.
good according to you?
There is
Is gehu
nothing
good
like,
according to you?
nothing like gluten and all that. What gluten? Entire North India is on chapati.
Yeah.
Entire South is on rice. Nothing big about it. Only we have other grains also. So simple people who eat jowar, bajra, makai, that also is there in North and South. So we should eat all varieties. Sometimes people get stuck only to one, but you should have always some varieties. So that could be done. And person, you must have milk. I would strongly say you must have milk right from childhood. If you are having milk, don't stop milk. I am also having right from childhood milk. We had cows in our property in Villeparle. Cows in our property.
अभी भी हैं?
अब तो अलाउड नहीं है ना
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
म्यूनसिपैलिटी
हाँ,
के
municipality
बहुत
allowed
कुछ।
नहीं है।
लेकिन तब था। और दूध, दही, मक्खन, घी, all that is very, very important. I would say makhan, 1 spoon of ghee per day. I would never tell you to go extreme into vegans and all that. People have their own theory about it. But what you are used to from your childhood, you should continue. Your body is structured like that. Don't get into new theories. As long as you are healthy and happy, you don't have to change. Change when you have some problem. If your health has any issues, then make changes in certain things. Then you don't have more ghee if cholesterol is going high. All such changes will occur accordingly. But otherwise don't. Normal food is very healthy food. Our Indian normal healthy homemade food. Nothing
माँ
like
के हाथ का खाना. Ansama, in today's world we want everything instant. हम जैसे कहते हैं instant gratification. People prefer pizza over biryani.
Yeah.
Pizza में instant gratification मिलता है, जल्दी बन जाता है. बिरयानी बनाने में समय लगता है. It started with instant coffee. it came down to instant noodles. अब Instagram भी आ गया. So everybody wants instant results. So can instant results be achieved with yoga?
Why not? Yoga to सीधी बात करती. Yoga is a science. You do this and you will get benefit here very clearly. Definitely. Have faith. You do this, continue doing that part, and you will have faith. Love, for example, just sit and take 1 or 2 long breaths and you will see the difference. You will see the difference. Your mind is running here and there. 1 long breath and your mind will be with you. Otherwise it's going to Statue of Liberty. Right now it will come to you. So that will happen. Yoga is rather a very scientific approach. Instant means, here my blood pressure is high, I do this and my pressure goes down. I don't talk in that term. Blood pressure high, how many years it happened to bring your blood pressure high, that much, half of that will require to bring your pressure normal. And that too much earlier you will bring, if you make a holistic change in your life. See, we are, when it comes to food, we are used to dal, chawal, sabzi, roti, varieties. Now, today's world, fast. I would say just make one dish, certain these things mixed, and just eat it, that's sufficient. You don't need too many varieties, and then where is the time? And so, such changes we can make. You know, one dish in the morning, one in the afternoon, one at night, something like that. Dinner has to be fixed only, nice soup and something, khichdi or something. Make your life simple, because you don't have to spend too much time on these things, but enjoy every meal, enjoy every morsel. That approach should be there. So that is fine as far as food is concerned. But junk, in sense, something which is not food itself, dead food, like you go to McDonald's or something, which is a dead food, cold frozen food. You order and they heat you and give you a dead body, heated and given. Something like that, which I would say avoid. Rather have just a little soup and get out. That is enough. You don't need more. We eat much, much more than what is required. We should be mitahari, eat less. So in all such cases, when we talk about instant, make your life simple. No, we have made it too complicated. Simplify your habits, food habits, your outlook towards life. Simplify. Somebody is rude now. Simplify. He has some reason, so be rude. Well, but he has something good also. Start seeing good rather than bad, and you will feel fine. Every human has some good and some bad points. So everywhere I have noticed that your entire approach to life has to change. Your outlook towards life has to change. At this age, I am 76. At this age, I am still very much keen to touch everyone's heart, because I find that people unnecessarily suffer. Unnecessarily they suffer. If they could change little bit their outlook, they will not suffer. If they could change little bit their food habit, they would not suffer.
राइट का लेफ्ट करना है बस.
हाँ बस
U-turn नहीं
थोड़ा
करना
सा
है.
चेंज.
वो रेडियो में रहता था ना, AM और FM. ट्यूनिंग बदलनी है बस.
बस बदलनी है, बस वही करना है.
Your videos which you have, and they are, I would say, bite-sized videos on your YouTube channel, which get circulated on social media. Are they scientifically designed? Can one simply watch those videos, whether it is the right pose to do a Surya Namaskar or right way to, let's say, do pranayam? Pranayam
Yes,
के भी कई तरीके हैं. So can just one simply follow them, and would you
Yes.
endorse them that they're scientifically
Exactly.
researched?
They are. We have done good amount of research on that. And what we have done is, see, in yoga also, there is a Hatha Yoga, where those usually sadhu sannyasis, they do yogis, Hatha yogis.
जी.
Now, we are talking about householders, those who have family, those who have tension. You have to accept they have tension. You have to accept that they can't sleep on time.
कितना समय देना चाहिए? How much time they should dedicate? A housemaker every day.
No, ऐसा भी नहीं है.
Okay.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कितना समय देना चाहिए. ये टेक्निक को लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व कर दो. जैसे कि सच पीपल, आप बात कर रहे हैं साइंटिफिक टर्मिनोलॉजी की, तो हमने ये देखा है कि व्हेन दीज पीपल स्टैंड ऑन हेड फॉर हाफ एन आवर एंड ऑल दैट, दैट्स फाइन. इफ दे ब्रेक देयर नेक, दे हैव टाइम टू सेटल डाउन. Householders know what they should do minimum. We have done research on that. Good amount. If you are bending forward, how much? I'll make you to do and I'll show you.
Right.
If you are bending forward, how much is required? How much is unnecessary? There are many unnecessary things we are doing in technology, not required. And that's what we have to see. Yogis talk about two very major things. One, they say that your spine, vertebral column, has to be flexible.
तो मुझे ऐसे बैठना चाहिए.
अच्छे हो, बहुत अच्छा. आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड. अच्छे हो, ऐसा भी नहीं कि आप हमेशा सीधे ही बैठे रहो, रिलैक्स रहो, लेकिन फ्लेक्सिबल हो स्पाइन. उसके लिए छह पॉस्चर बताए, आगे झुको, पीछे झुको, साइड में जाओ, ट्विस्ट, अपवर्ड्स एंड डाउनवर्ड्स. 6 ways in which you can exercise your spine. Second area which is most important is your abdomen, your navel area, core muscles. There should not be any additional fat over there because all internal organs, otherwise you won't be able to touch. So then certain asanas for that. Certain asanas for extremities so that you can sit on the floor. Flexibility should be there. All such things. And mainly 28 meditative poses, not one or two. Sit it whatever way you can sit. Fold your legs, bring it up and sit. How scientific it is, you know. Heart patients, when heart is not functioning well, heart has to pump blood when you are sitting on the chair from toe upwards against gravity. We have gravitational force. Now, meditative pose. Bring your leg up and sit. Palati maar ke, sit. Now that gravity force is gone. So your heart can relax. Heart relaxes when you, very scientific. Heart relax. So I always tell people, when you sit for food, why don't you bring your legs up and sit? Palati, on this chair you can put your legs up and sit. But that you have to do right from childhood. Look at a small child. Small child won't want to hang his legs down and sit. Small child puts legs down. Beat it. Put your leg down. This is the whole problem with
Actually, हाँ, मेरा बेटा खाना खाते हुए पैर ऊपर रखता है, हम नीचे करवाते हैं. हाँ, छोटा है अभी.
गलत है. हाँ. बाहर जो करना हो करोगे, घर में तो पाओ, सोफे पे बैठो, पाओ, bring your legs up and sit. All that is very, very important. So, right, what I'm trying to say is, this flexibility doesn't come by doing one or two asanas. It should be in your lifestyle. So whenever you sit like that. Whenever you walk like that. Whenever you do anything, do. So this is how it comes. No?
So, thank you.
Please.
Thank you very much. And Saman, a lot of your videos and when I read your philosophy, you've said that आपके उठने के बाद के पहले 15 मिनट और सोने के पहले का आधा घंटा, उसमें अगर आप डिसिप्लिन फॉलो कर लेंगे तो लाइफ में बड़ी चेंजेस आएंगे.
Correct. Very true.
So what is the first thing anybody is watching the video, whether you get up at 6, 7 or 8, that is a lifestyle thing.
No, I would still say that person must get up around sunrise or before sunrise.
इसके अंदर और आप sprouts की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ बिल्कुल, ये बहुत ही सही है, ये ज़रूर खाएंगे. Before sunrise, that would be much healthier. After that, you see, the moment sun rises in our body, metabolism starts. So then you are going against nature. We are part and parcel of nature that we can't forget. Look at birds, animals. We have to see that we should wake up by sunrise.
Which is 6:37, you should get up irrespective of wherever you are.
Yes, you could do that. And just in case you have not completed your sleep, eat food, after that walk a bit and then you can sleep again. No problem during day. Little siesta, whenever your body demands, you can do it. But waking up in the morning, I would strongly recommend. Say by.
उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए? After you get up next 15 minutes, how should you spend?
See, first.
Don't check your mobile phone first. सबसे पहले मोबाइल फोन चेक करते हो, नहीं करें.
मोबाइल फोन को तो कबाट में रख दो जब आप सोने जाते हो.
अच्छा.
Don't keep it on your bed. क्या फर्क पड़ता है, किसी को कांटेक्ट करना है वो कर लेगा, और इमरजेंसी ऐसा कुछ, जस्ट लीव इट. कहीं से भी मैसेज आ जाता है, तो डोंट डू दैट. यू विल गेट स्टक. द मोमेंट मोबाइल कम्स यू विल ट्राई टू चेक सर्टेन मैसेज, कुछ न्यू आया, देन यू आर गॉन. डोंट. रिस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट. टेक टाइम विथ योरसेल्फ. योर टाइम, नोबडीज टाइम. दैट शुड बी देयर इन द बॉडी.
चलिए, आपको मैं थोड़ा सर्व अगर करूं, इट विल बी माय ऑनर. दिस इज ऑल सात्विक फूड हंसामा। आलू की सब्जी है, बिना प्याज और बिना गार्लिक की है।
आप बताओ, आलू की जगह अगर आप स्वीट पोटैटो खाते हैं,
अच्छा
शकरकंद,
अच्छा।
which would be much healthier than even आलू.
पर हंसामा, व्हाई डू फूड थ्योरीज चेंज सो मच? अगेन मैं उसी बात पे दोबारा जा रहा हूँ, हर 2-3-4 साल के अंदर एक नई रिसर्च आती है, some
देखिए,
new claims they
रिसर्च
come.
आती है, उसको देखो, जो लेना हो वो लो, बाकी छोड़ दो. अब जैसे मैंने ये सिंपल सी बात कही, आलू. अभी बचपन से हमको स्कूल में सिखाया था. मैं आई वॉज इन अ गांधीयन स्कूल वेयर वी वर टॉट हाउ टू इवन कुक. तो बचपन में हमको सिखाया था कि आलू की सब्जी जब बनती है तब स्किन के साथ ही बनानी है. अब हम स्किन निकाल देते हैं, स्किन के साथ ही बनानी है. और अगर स्किन निकालनी हो तो आफ्टर कुकिंग देन यू peel off the skin, but not before that.
Sam, I came as a student and I'm going by as a student. A lot to learn from you. क्योंकि आप हैं and we have the honor and the pleasure of having you here. कुछ आपसे योगा सीखते हैं. खाना खाने के पहले करना चाहिए, मगर मे भी खाना खाने के थोड़ी देर बाद आपसे योगा सीखते हैं. क्या राइट है, क्या रॉन्ग है?
चलिए.
तो इसके बात करते हैं. मगर थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. सच एन ऑनर एंड अ प्लेजर टू हैव यू ऑन द शो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
नमस्कार.
संसामा, अब थोड़ा रोल रिवर्स करते हैं.
अच्छा,
तो अब मैं योगासन करता हूँ जो आपसे सीखा है, और आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि स्टॉक मार्केट में इसका मतलब क्या है. तो सबसे पहले मैं करता हूँ शवासन. मैं आसन में आता हूँ, फिर आप बताइए इसका मतलब. हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स को शवासन को अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट फिलॉसफी की, योगा भी फिलॉसफी है, इन्वेस्टमेंट भी फिलॉसफी है,
बिल्कुल.
दोनों फिलॉसफी को कैसे मिला सकते हैं?
आपके शेयर मार्केट की भाषा में अगर कहा जाए तो यू आर प्रॉपरली इन्वेस्टिंग थिंग्स ऑटोमेटिकली. एवरी एरिया यू आर ट्राइंग टू रिलैक्स, every area. So you are properly investing in everything. Then you are relaxed.
तो हंसामा, अब पर्वतासन.
That's how we should be living our life. From animal to human, human to godly. In the same, in investment also. Moving ahead. And now, finally, bring your hands down. Stretch your whole body. Breathe in and raise your both arms up. Yes, very slowly inhale and take it up and put your toes out.
At 40 plus, all men have one common problem. बाल कम होते हैं. कोई योगा है इसके लिए?
Circulation to head region is important. And for that, bending forward. Forward bending is very good.
तो बुलर बैर के लिए कोई प्राणायाम है योगा में?
पहली 2 उंगलियां अंदर रखो.
जी हाँ.
लास्ट 2 फिंगर, और इसको कहते हैं प्रणव मुद्रा. एक बार से सांस लीजिए, फिर होल्ड योर ब्रेथ. दोनों दबा दो, फिर लेफ्ट से छोड़ो, छोड़ो 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 छोड़ो, फिर लेफ्ट से लो वापस, फिर से रोक लो, फिर राइट से छोड़ो.
थोड़ा हैबिट वर्जन अगर मैं स्टॉक मार्केट लैंग्वेज में करूं,
हाँ,
विच इज बाय अ गुड स्टॉक,
होल्ड इट,
एंड व्हेन इट रीचेस फेयर वैल्यू,
leave it.
sell it.
Correct.
Bull and bear yoga.
One more pranayam, which you have to learn. Now, breathe in, and now just do humming sound. Relax.
Well, like they say in stock market, big gains are always made when you buy the right company. You hold it. You can only hold a stock if you are relaxed about your investment. And when you relax about your investment, you can sit tight. And then when it really reaches a mature price level, that's the time you sell it. But it is important first to invest, hold. You'll only hold if you relax with the right breath, with the right yoga, and then sell really at the right time.